Hi, today's topic is power supply. Now, first and foremost question asks is, why do we require power supply? Is it required? What is what is the main role of power supply? And what are the different types of power supply we are using? Power supplies adapt the type of power available. It can be either a direct current or alternating current, which we say is AC and DC, to the needed form and voltage for a specific use. Now, some will convert AC to DC power while others are DC to DC. Now, AC to DC is the most common type because any electrical devices use direct current, whereas the power supply from the outlet is in alternating current, that is AC supply. Now, DC-DC power supplies often convert a power from a battery, such as car battery, into the appropriate voltage for an electrical device. Now, in addition to converting the current type, power supply must also change the voltage. Now, AC voltage often must be reduced to a low voltage for most electrical devices, though some application may require different voltage levels. Converting the electricity to the required level is the task of the power supply. Now, all types of AC-DC power supply include a transformer to make the electricity into a format to the electrical device which can use. Now, in addition to the transformer, all power supplies include rectifiers and filters. Power supplies can convert AC to DC power through rectification. The voltage can go through cycles by changing from AC power to single direction DC power. Capacitor filter in the power supply reduces this while shifts, but it does not entirely smooth out the ripple voltage in a power output. Whereas in regulated power supplies, the voltage exits the device at the point. Regulated power supplies have added voltage regulator. Now, if you see, there are two main categories of power supply: regulated and unregulated power supply. Now, what is regulated power supply? A regulated power supply is again a type of power supply that provides constant output voltage despite of input variation in the input voltage, load current and temperature. Now, the regulated power supply has an active circuit that continuously monitors the output voltage and adjusts it to maintain the specific output voltage. Now, the regulated power supply is widely used in your electronic devices which require a stable voltage. For example, computers, your telecommunication equipment and your industrial machinery. Now, what is the main advantage of regulated power supplies? It provides a stable output voltage regardless of variation in input voltage or load current. Now, what happens? Because of this feature, it ensures that electronic device receive the consistent and stable power supply, because it is essential in maintaining the reliability and performance of the device. Now, regulated power supply also offers protection against voltage fluctuation, overloads and short circuit, which can damage your electronic device. Now, what about unregulated power supply? Unregulated power supply is again a type of power supply that provides an output voltage that varies with changes in input voltage, load current and temperature. The unregulated power supply does not have any active circuit that regulates the output voltage. So making it simple and less expensive than your regulated power supply. Now, unregulated power supply is commonly used in lower power electronic devices that do not require a stable voltage, like for example your toys, your radios. The advantage of unregulated supply is that it is simple and less expensive than regulated power supply, does not require any complex circuits, which makes it easier in design and manufacture. Now, main disadvantage is it provides an output voltage that varies with the changes in input voltage and load current and temperature. So, this variation can lead into a performance and reliability of a electronic device. So, what do we come to a conclusion? We have seen in summary there a difference between what is the regulated and unregulated power supply. Now, regulated provides a stable output voltage, while unregulated does not provide any stable output voltage. So, it changes with the input voltage, load current and temperature. Regulated is commonly used in your electronic devices which require stable voltage, whereas unregulated power supply is commonly used in lower power electronic device because which does not require any stable voltage. This completes the topic of power supply. Thank you.